My name is Joshua Aligun. I welcome you to AJ Tech House YouTube channel. On today's agenda, I would be talking to you about how to update channels for Microsoft 365 applications, right? So what do I mean by that? So the benefit or one of the benefits of Microsoft 365 is that updates are provided every now and then. Security updates, non-security updates, new features are pushed to the Microsoft 365 applications on the cloud. As you all know, Microsoft 365 is a software as a service. So as long as you have the Microsoft 365 subscription, that gives you the Microsoft 365 desktop applications, right? Whatsoever security update, whatsoever non-security update or new features that are pushed out, right? Because they are connected, your application is connected with your account. These features, these updates are pushed to your to your Office application, right? So the method or the channel through which these updates and new features are pushed um, to your Microsoft 365 account are called channels. So one of the benefits is that Microsoft provides new features, new updates to Office applications such as Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Outlook on a regular basis, right? Another addition is that the update channel provides as needed security and non-security updates regularly every month, bi-monthly, as I've said earlier. So without wasting much time, let me share my screen and then we can look at one or two documents, right? So I'll be sharing my screen. Yes, okay. Um, This is the topic, how to update channels for Microsoft 365 applications. So I would launch one of the document. All right, so this is a document where um, Microsoft has explained elaborately how to carry out this process. So we have three primary update channels, right? One of them is the current channel. The second one is the monthly enterprise channel, and the third one is a semi-annual enterprise channel. So just a quick comparison, right? For the current channel, Microsoft provides its users with new Office features as soon as possible, at least once in a month. It can be often, right? But once in a month, and there is no schedule for that. There is no schedule, so at least once in a month, anytime, at any time of the month, it can be pushed out. But the difference with the monthly enterprise channel is that Microsoft provides its users with new Office features or updates once a month and on a predictable schedule. So it can be every Tuesday. I think every Tuesday, second Tuesday of the month. Yeah. So this, yeah, okay, see it here, once on the second Tuesday of the month, right? So for the current channel, it's once a month, but there is no schedule. It can be anytime. However, for the monthly enterprise channel, right, it's also once a month, but on every second Tuesday of the month. And semi-annual enterprise, right, is also once a month and also on the second Tuesday of every month. But this is pushed to selected devices in the organization where you need to carry out extensive testing before the feature is rolled out to everybody in the organization, right? So that's when you use this semi-annual enterprise channel. Right. So quickly, I'll show you some the current channel overview, right? Um, why should you choose the current channel overview? Because it provides your users with the newest Office features as soon as they are ready. Immediately they are ready, this is pushed out to your users. And then new and updated features for current channel usually are released every month, like I've said earlier and like we have seen earlier, right? So for you to preview upcoming features, right, that are pushed or that will be pushed or that would be pushed to the current channel, right? So what you can do is to ensure you select the current channel preview so that you can always preview the feature before they are finally pushed out. And then we also have security updates that are pushed out to the current channel, and also non-security updates, right, are also pushed out to the current channel. So these non-security updates are updates that provide fixes for known issues and provides stability and performance improvement for Office. So same thing for the monthly enterprise channel and the semi-annual channel also, right? And then any given version of the current channel or other channels are supported until the new version is made available or is released. So if you go through the document, right, you would see that we have similar thing for the monthly enterprise channel also. We have a security update, we have a non-security update. Like I told you earlier, and like you've seen on the document, the updates are released every Tuesday, second Tuesday of every month. And then there's also a Copilot update for the monthly enterprise channel, right? So Copilot is the AI tool or capability that Microsoft has introduced into the Microsoft 365 applications, right? And then any given version, like I said earlier, for current channel, it's supported until the new release is out, right? Until the new release is out. But for monthly enterprise channel, the support is any given version is supported for 2 months, right? Only for 2 months before the other one is released. Same thing with semi-annual enterprise channel. We have you can also preview the changes before they are pushed out, security update, non-security update, and then the support duration also is for 14 months, right? Support duration for semi-annual enterprise channel is for 14 months. So I would show you I'll also show you how to change the channel through which you want to receive updates. So all I need to do is find my way to my Office 365 admin center. If you don't know how to get there, you can check my channel on how to access your admin center. I have another video on how to navigate your way through the Microsoft 365 admin center. So I'm here now. All I need to do is I click on home, right? I'm signed in. I come to settings, I click on settings, I come to org settings, organization settings, and then under services, right? You can see services is selected here. I can select these other ones, but I want to click on services, and then I go to Microsoft 365 installation options. I click on this, and then as you can see here, I have the option to change from either current channel to monthly enterprise channel and then to semi-annual enterprise channel, right? So this is how to do that. You can select this and then click on save. You can select any of them and then click on save. So thank you very much for watching my video. Kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also share the video with your colleagues and friends and family members that you think and know this video would be of great benefits to them. And if you have people or you're just starting out in the Microsoft 365 cloud space, this video is also for you, right? Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Cheers. Bye.